The last topic of the chapter, biodegradable polymers. Biodegradable polymers. Write the definition. Those polymers which get decomposed due to microbial action or maybe due to bacteria, anything you can write, are called biodegradable polymers. So those polymers which get decomposed due to microbes, they are called biodegradable polymers. They are solving the environmental problem of polythene and other polymers. Only two examples we have. Number one, PHBV. Take help of your book, you'll get it. PHBV, full form polybeta hydroxy butyrate. Co-beta hydroxy valerate. Butyrate is for 4 carbon, valerate is for 5 carbon. So these are the monomer units. 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. Now just see, I have written for you 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanoic acid is COH. 1, 2, third carbon we have OH, 3-hydroxy and CH3. To explain the bonding, I have written it like this. This is COH, CH2, CH. This OH I have written on this side so that we can explain formation of ester bond or ester linkage. And this CH3 I have written over here. Earlier videos you have seen condensation polymer. So this is condensation only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 OH and CH3. This is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. Then the next monomer unit is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Same way you make the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. COOH on first carbon. OH on the third carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again to explain the bond, I have written it like this. 1, 2, 3. Third carbon bonded with OH and these two groups I have written on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon. So this is 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. These two will undergo polymerization. Minus N H2O. What will happen? OH from acid and H from alcohol. Water is removed as condensation polymer. Water will be removed as byproduct over there. And the rest you join as it is. This OH, if H is removed, will show the bond here. Just like condensation, you have done polyester dichrome. CH, CH3, then CH2. OH is removed, H is removed, join this. We get this ester linkage. This ester linkage is formed. Then CH, these two join together. I have written join them. CH2, CH3, C2H5, CH2 and C. If next molecule will come, OH will be removed. So remove the bond. This is PHBV. This is PHBV. This is example of polyester. This is example of polyester. Okay. And second polymer we have nylon 2, nylon 6. So right. Last polymer we have second for biodegradable nylon 2, nylon 6. As the name nylon, we have done nylon 6 and nylon 6,6. It contains 2 carbon chain. One of 2 carbon atoms and another of 6 carbon. So it is called nylon 2, nylon 6. This is example of polyamide. The two monomer units, first is glycine. You can do it. Glycine, it's not given in the book. Do it carefully, reaction specially. Glycine, 2 carbon we have. So 1, 2. One side we have COOH group, another side we have NH2 group. This is glycine with 2 carbon atoms. The next monomer unit is aminocaproic acid. Second monomer is aminocaproic acid. We need 6 carbon, so 1 is COOH and 5 carbon CH2. We have done nylon 6, 6, same way, and NH2. So this is aminocaproic acid with 6 carbon atom. Condensation polymerization will take place, so minus NH2. Acid will give OH. Amino group will give H from here. So OH from here and H from here is removed as water. OH from here and H is removed as water. And join the whole molecule. So we start with here NH2. One hydrogen can be removed from here. So remove it. Show the bond. CH2, CO. OH and H is removed. So we get CONH. This is amide linkage. This we call it as amide. This is amide linkage. This is amide linkage. Then CH2 and CO. OH will be removed. So this is nylon 2, nylon 6. This is 2 carbon, 1, 2. Chain broken by nitrogen here. So NH, and then we have 5 and 1, 6. So it is nylon 2 and nylon 6. This is example of polyamide. So 2 biodegradable polymers we have. One is example of polyester, another is example of nylon 2, nylon 6. This finishes your whole chapter, natural and synthetic polymer. All of you, please complete your copies. Okay.